Hi, this is Vijay Krish from AT Media Designs. In this video, we can see how to make this mandala art in Inkscape. For the mandala art, go to Extensions, Render, and Guides Creator. In the Guides Creator, Regular Guides, Guides Preset, Custom, Columns to Rows True. Click on Apply. The hash lines were appeared. Now we can start with the Bezier tool. Before that, turn on the toggle snapping tool. Make a triangle and double click in the center of the hash lines. Now we finish with the triangle. Now go to the path effects. In the path effects there will be nothing. Hit the plus button to add path effects. Now we are going to add the mirror symmetry path effect. Choose the mode freely defined mirror line. This time we are going to add the rotate copies. Change the number of copies into 12. Now choose the notes button and then you can play with that. You can adjust the node as per your wish. Now go to Path and select Object to Path. Once again go to the Path and select Union. To remove the outline of the design, hold Shift and click the None in the Colors tab. Once again we are going to repeat the process. Make a triangle and go to path effects, add path effects. We are going to choose the mirror symmetry path effect. Choose the mode predefined mirror line and don't forget to check the fuse path. Add another path effect. Now we are going to choose the rotating copies path effects. Drag the diamond node to the center of the hash line and change the number of copies into 12. Once again choose the nodes button. Double click in the line to make a new node. You can adjust the nodes as per your wish. Now we are going to take the outline of the element 2. Ctrl plus D to duplicate the element 2 and drag aside. Now choose the color picker holding shift and choose the color. Hit the none button. Go to fill and stroke and choose the stroke style and increase the width to increase the thickness of the stroke. Now we are going to build our mandala art. We can change the color to bring the difference. Now we are going to duplicate the element 1 to take the outline of it. Choose the color picker and hold shift and choose the color you like. Now we are going to duplicate the outline of the element 1 and choose the dark color and bring the outline behind the first outline, and then we are going to blur. Now choose the second element and Ctrl D to duplicate it. Choose the dark color. Bring the dark element behind the element 2. And then blur. I am going to add some of the details in the mandala art. Now make a circle and bring it to the center of the hash line. Once again path effects and add path effect. This time we are going to add the rotating copies. Make the number of copies into 12 and bring the diamond node to the center of the hash line.
Once again, repeat the process.
Again we are going to make an element. Once again make a triangle and go to path effects and choose the mirror symmetry and then add another path effect. Now choose the rotate copies. Drag the diamond node to the center of the hash lines and change the number of copies into 12. Now choose the node and double click to make a new node. Adjust the node as per your wish. Now we are going to repeat the process to add some of the details to the mandala art. Now we created the fifth element of our mandala art. Ctrl D to duplicate it and drag aside. Choose the color picker by holding shift. Choose the color you like and choose the fill color none. Now the strokes inside the design can be seen. To remove that, go to path, select object to path and once again go to path and then union. The strokes inside the design were disappeared. And then I am going to add some of the details to the art. Now we are going to repeat the circle process. Draw a design like this which was inlaid with the hash line and then click enter. Once again go to path effects and add a path effect, mirror symmetry. Now adjust the node like this. Now we are going to add another path effect. This time we are going to choose the rotating copies and change the number of copies into 12. Now drag the diamond node to the center of the hash line. You can adjust the node as per your wish. and then I'm going to add more details. Now we can make a rough flower. Once again go to Path Effects, add a path effect, choose the rotating copies and change the number of copies into 4, and then adjust the nodes as per your wish. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials. We can meet in next video.